Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me this, and they want this horse but they want a cowboy on it like this. And this is a rearing horse. This is a bucking bronco. So you kind of need to think about the cowboy leaning back. But anyway, for the one I'm doing it for, I made them really small. I put my nudge factor on 4. As always, I make duplicates of everything, just in case I mess up. I don't have to go back too far. I'm going to go to, I've got it selected. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clipart, and I'm going to remove color from entire image. And what that did, that got out that little bitty white space that was going to be right there. Do the same thing in here and see there's going to be a white space there. I'm not going to do it this time just to show you. I've gone over this before. See, there's a little white space. So if you remove it before, you don't have to do this. But since there's just 2 white spaces, we can go to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And matter of fact, you can just grab the black and move it over, and then those 2 white spots magically disappear. So you can do anything with this. I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to left click. I'm going to go ahead and go right click with black. And, you can alter the horse's angle. You don't have to have him going straight up, or that way both of his feet are kind of on the ground. But if you'll take the cowboy part, and this wouldn't be my best pick, because I don't really know what's going on here, part of the graphic, but I'm going to get my freehand tool. I'm just going to swipe across there. And I went down there because there's that part. Now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And what that did with the Smart Fill tool, it made a new object. And then just put your horse on there and, angle him, or put your man on the horse. And this man might not be the best scenario, but we'll just keep angling it back. We've got it kind of messing up with the, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to get rid of this. 2 ways you can get rid of it. Probably the easiest is just to take your shape tool and delete these 3, and then select these 2 and right click and turn them into a line. And then you can bring that over, and that's not going to interfere. And then it's just your discretion on what you want the guy to look like. Then all you have to do, let me get rid of this other rider, is just select both of them and weld it. And there you have it. You've changed the picture completely. Now you have a cowboy on top of a rearing horse. That's pretty authentic looking. I'd have to go with that. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.